What you guys, got another video here for you. In this one we've got the ESCAM, which is a security camera which is used for outdoors, and it's waterproof, and you get everything you see here in the box. You're going to get your sticker for your window to tell everyone that you have got a camera. You've got your template here so you can drill the holes very easily on the wall to mount it. You've got your quick step setup guide here, which is very easy to understand. It's got pictures and also text, and everything is laid out in here nicely. Very simple to set up. I'll show you how to do it in this video. We also have our power adapter here, because this camera needs power to run, and you can see this is the European or American plug here with the two-pronged adapter here, but you can use any sort of adapter which uses these camera adapters. You can get them anywhere online. You've got yourself your raw plugs and screws here, and your antenna which just screws onto the back of the camera here. You can see how small the camera is. It's very small, ideal for somewhere like the front door, or maybe the back door of the garden or something like that. You can use this for pretty much anywhere really. But you've got your mounting bracket here. Need to loosen the screws up on here, and this will make the bracket a little bit more pliable, so you can move it around a bit easier. Now, as you can see, this is quite a powerful camera. It is a 1080p camera, but we got the sensor in here is 2.7 inch 2 megapixel progressive CMOS inside here. Also, angle of view for this one is 75.7 degrees, and we also have 1080p 25 frames per second at 50 and 60 hertz. Also, there is your mounting bracket here with 3 screws. Very simple to mount this to any wall. Supports a maximum of up to 128 gigabytes TF or micro SD card on this camera as well, which means you can store all that footage. So it's pretty good at storing loads of good quality footage, high definition. And you see, got your antenna here, which is where it screws in. So you can either have this with Wi-Fi or Ethernet, depending on how you want to set yours up. So if you don't have access to an Ethernet area there, so you can always use the Wi-Fi antenna, and the signal worked pretty good on this camera. So you can see it's very small and compact, and it's also giving you very good quality. This is the cable length here, which is pretty standard for most cameras. You would have your power adapter on here and your Ethernet as well, and what you would do is use a 16mm drill bit and drill a hole through the wall and run those cables through. Now, this is a UK power adapter. You don't get this with the camera, but you can purchase these online, and they pretty much all the same for all cameras, so they will power this camera. So let's get this powered up so we can see what the quality looks like here for the picture, because I'm pretty sure you want to see that. I've just got some power going to it, and we're going to use the Wi-Fi antenna. So go to Google Play Store and download the app. And once you've installed the app, you'll be able to set up your camera. It's pretty straightforward and easy to do. Just set up an account here, just put in an email address and password and all that sort of good stuff. Once you've done all that, you can then add your device to your phone here for your network. You can see I've added it on and it's now connected, and we do have some footage from the camera. Now don't worry, I will show you some proper footage outside and nighttime and daytime, but you can see you've got all your features listed on the bottom here: your capture, your video, your PTZ, your sharpness, sound, your talk button, because it does support two-way talk, also enlargement, and all close, and a bunch of other settings here. You can have up to 4 cameras displayed on here, so you can see all the 4 cameras. You've got your pinch and zoom here to zoom in, which works pretty well. Now, up the top here on the top left, you've got about your account, your devices, live view, playback, alarm, files, favorites, demo, and all your settings, so you can set it up how you want in there. Now, this is some nighttime footage, and this is not the highest setting. It's got 3 settings you can put it on, but I'll show you all the settings, what they look like. But basically, that is what you're going to get at nighttime. It's very clear and easy, and you'll be able to easily detect people's faces at night, and that's important. And this is the daytime footage here. As you can see, very good clear quality picture, and you've also got your sharpness button there and stuff like that you can mess around with to get it how you want it. Okay, and you can have up to 4 cameras displayed on here, so you could flick through the 4 of them if you wanted to. And you can play sound, so you can hear the sound outside, the sharpness button, you can see LD, SD and HD. When I put it on HD, you get a much more sharper picture there. So that is the review for the ESCAM QF910. It's a pretty decent camera. I will leave all the links in the video description if you're interested. And if you are, then you can use one of those links down there. Anyway, my name is Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the big red subscribe button on my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification button next to that to be notified when we upload new videos.